Dear students, welcome to the Automation Robotics class. So, myself, Dr.D.HarshaVardhan, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, handling the course. Now, let us go into the fundamentals of the automation. So, why we need this automation? First of all, let us know what is automation. Then we'll see why we need automation. And third one, we can see how we can do automation. So these three things we will study in this present class. The first one, what is automation? Automation can be defined as the technology by which a process or procedure is performed without human assistance. Humans may be present, but the process itself operates under the own self-direction. The process itself operates under own self-direction. The three main components of the automation system are number one, power, number two, program of instructions, and number three, a control of program of instructions. Here these three are the three factors. That is, if any task completes itself without any much human intervention, so that process we normally call as automation. There may be need of human intervention, but the human intervention should be a minimal one. The process should be completed by itself without a much human intervention, or complete without human intervention, then we will call it as automation. Here, why we need this automation? So here, why we need automation means, number one, to increase the labor productivity. Number two, to reduce the labor cost. What is this labor productivity and labor cost means? Suppose if a work done by at 10 people per day, to assemble an engine, suppose we required 10 people has to be work on it. It may be like a big suppose a batch production one. Suppose if you take a ship in order to assemble that ship, or you can come to the any normal production house. Suppose to any human can able to manufacture only 10 pieces a day, but if you go with the automation, it can able to manufacture, it can able to produce 100 pieces per day. That means we are increasing the productivity by 10 times and with the same cost. That is, you are reducing the cost and increasing the productivity. And suppose if that particular human, if it is he is absent, he is on leave, or he is unable to do the work, if you have any sick problem, then the work has to be stopped. But in this automation, we can mitigate the labor shortages, and also it eliminates the routine manual or clerical works, and also it improves the worker safety, it improves the product quality, and also to reduce the manufacturing lead time and to accomplish the process that can be done manually, and also to avoid the accidents and further things where required this automation. And also, in order to not to pay the cost of not going the automation, we require this automation. What are the basic types of automation? We do have three basic types of automation. The first one is the programmable automation, second one is the fixed automation, and third one is the flexible automation. In the fixed automation, we have a limited product variety, but we can able to produce a large quantity. So in the fixed automation, we can go for a very large production, mass productions, we can use for fixed automation. And in the programmable automation, here we do have a very limited production quantity, but you can go for the large product variety. So this is a programmable automation, and the beauty of this was the flexible automation. Here we do have the combination of both fixed and programmable automations. So you can go for the priority, and also you can go for the quantity. The quality and quantity you can vary. So the basics is elements of automated system. The basic elements of the automated system, we do have program of instructions, control system, process, and power. That is, the power comes to the program of instruction and control system and the process, and the control system receives the instruction, a program of instructions. According to the program of instructions, it will operate the process. It will give inputs and it will collect the feedback. Based on the feedback, based on the instructions, it controls the entire process. So here the major three things we require. The first one was power to accomplish the process. Second one is a program of instructions to direct the process, and the third one is the control system to actuate the instructions.